Welcome to another Big Yacker fishing video. I know it's been a while since I did actually a fishing video. Today, we're back on Long Island. As you saw in my last video, I have a brand new kayak. I got the Old Town Sportsman PDL 132 13-foot kayak. We're going to a location that I went a couple weeks ago. So I made my maiden voyage here on Long Island in that kayak, and the weather was very sloppy. But here's some of the content from that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Something on the... of course you are. Of course it is. But wouldn't be a breaking the ice on a kayak in the sound without the infamous. There's one. Probably another sea robin. Oh, it's a porgy. Too small though. Small porgy. Easy release. And then we're going to today, I actually caught a keeper flounder, and that's what we're going to try to get today. And you can see that in this video right here, which is my first keeper on the new kayak. Something feels like a fluky. Feels like a fluke. What is it? Is the question. Nope. It's the biggest sea robin I've ever caught. Oh my god, both. One of each. There's only one more. Fuck. Uh-oh, catastrophe's going on around here. Holy shit. Alright, we got a fluke. Alright, well, let's see what size we got here. Luckily, fluke got stayed on, not the sea robin. That's 20. That's 20. Alright, first keeper fluke in the new kayak. Alright. Let's go. Today it's supposed to be beautifully calm with almost no wind. All right, so the name of the game is Fluke today. We're gonna try to catch 3 of those. You can get 3 at 19.5 inches to keep. May use some fish for bait. If I get a sea robin or so, use those as strips to see if those are any better than the gulp. The name of the game is Fluke, and we got a lot of time to fish them, so we're gonna see if we can get on them. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a question in the comment section down below if you have any questions to the gear that I'm using to catch the fluke. All right, thanks for watching. Big Yacker out.
Wake up to the sound of thunder, like a whisper in my ear. Are you gonna wait forever? I can see the stars reflecting. The empty tires made of steel. Everything but you is fading. I see your light. Take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up. You got me falling free into eternity. When you tear up my horizon.
Alright, not expecting much initially. Alright. We're not expecting too much initially. If I get a sea robin, I think I'm going to try to use them for bait. But we're going to start with the gulp grubs, the gulps as usual. So we might have to create our own drift on this slack tide. Might have to create our own drift on this slack tide. We'll see what happens. I feel like any fish we get within the first hour is a bonus. So, because we're literally not moving. There we go. All right. Go down at the bottom. Nice short bottom. We're going to work our way that way. And create my own drift here. I think we're on slack tide because I don't really appear to be moving much, so. Weed through these shorts. Dang, dude. Oh my goodness. Weed through these shorts. Killing my gulp. To put something down there and see if it eats it. This one mangled it. Mangled my gulp. This right, I might as well leave my gulp open.
What are you doing there?
One short, bunch of nibbles, and eating my. They're eating the end of the gulp, but they're biting.
Yeah, look at it. There's some fluke in there.
Yep.
Tide moving at all?
I think it's supposed to start coming in here maybe in another half hour, 45 minutes, I think.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you mother. Oh, got one. All right, there we go. Oh, small. Funny, so he must have hit this and then got picked up on the trailer. A little bigger. A little bigger, but not big enough. Not big enough. Biting. I don't know if the bite's starting to pick up or it's just the area where I was. Another one. All right, so I got a bunch of these several years ago. It was from Fishing OC. Guy gave me a bunch of extras too. So let's see if we can get some of these. It's been what I've been using, but he has a few different flavors of these. And so the other hooks are probably old and rusty because they were used for last year. So we're gonna see if we can just hook up this one today. So as you can see here, I'm actually cutting up some strips of sea robin that I caught earlier and figured I'd start using these because the smaller fluke are eating the tips of the gulp. I'm going through those rather quickly and I don't want to run out. So I figured I'd start using this, and as you'll see later on in the video, it actually starts to work. You can see all the gulp I've already gone through here in the cup holder. There's a fish, there's a fish, there's a fish. We're gonna act like they're all keepers at this point. It's not, but whatever. It's alright. Found the area where I think they're going to be hanging out, so I'm good with that. Oh yeah, feels like you hurt my hand here, buddy. Ooh, and it ate the bait. It actually ate the It ate the... It ate the sea robin. Interesting. Interesting, it ate the sea robin, so we'll see what happens from here on out. Ever since I switched to this lure though, I'll tell you what, it's kind of making some money magic right here. Hey, all shorts. Let me let this one go. Ooh, a little pull on you. Shorty. A little shorty. Again on the sea robin bait there. Alright, the sea robin bait, so. Unfortunately, the camera wasn't rolling when I caught this decent sized fish, so check this out. Oh, my guess is 18. It's gonna be too short. All right, we got a fluke here. It's gotta be 19 and a half. Let's see what we get. Oh, 21, baby. Look at this. Even with the mouth closed, we're at 20, 21. First keeper of the day. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. All right, keeper fluke, baby. Another one. I don't think this is going to be a keeper size though. I don't think it's going to be keeper size, but we'll take a look. Alright, let's get you out of here. Come on, buddy. Alright. In the mood for another drift. Let's go. Let's get this big one. And there's a big one down there. You're going to give me a 20. 20 would be nice. 24. Another one. Small, feels small. Oh, look at that, 2 babies. One dropped. Well, what's this one? Interesting coloring. Okay, little baby. Get the tail out of your mouth. Too small. Smallest one yet of the day. Weird coloring on there, huh? Had 2 on that one. Yeah, I felt like this was a keeper that just came off. Kind of mad about that. It came off. Ooh, bit it off. The keeper, come on, it's a keeper. It's a keeper, baby. Come on, baby, come on. Yeah, you're a keeper. Let's go. Let's go in the net. Not sure if you're a keeper, but we're gonna try. Not a keeper. Not a keeper, but good fish. All right, gonna try another drift. Almost close to our second keeper, but no cigar. I was about 18 and a half. Felt good though, but I don't know. Hopefully this is a sign that the bite continues to pick up and we can get one or two more keepers. Let's go. Oh my God, what's that thing? What is this thing here? It's a freaking fluke. It's huge. Feels like a fluke. So this should be a keeper. Oh, this is a doormat. This is a doormat keeper. Oof. Stay on, baby. Stay on. You're a keeper and a beast. Beast! Woohoo! Yes, sir. We got some foot good too. Oh yeah, stay on here. Stay on here, big guy. You definitely a keeper. You're definitely a keeper. That's, you know what's even nicer? Get to keep my lure. Where I'm from, we like to call this a doormat. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe 23, maybe 22. We're gonna measure them up, but I know it's a keeper, so. Heck yeah. Keeper, baby, keeper. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Definitely by far. 23. That's right. 23, 22. Awesome. Let's go. Oh, baby, one more. I'm happy with that. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Small, tiny baby. Oh, you took off the tail, you punk. Took off the tail, you little punk. You took off the tail. You had to take off the tail, didn't you? Had to take off the tail, didn't you? Tiny little fish. Ruin everything. All right, thanks for tuning in to another Big Yak fishing video. Pretty good day. I mean, I was out here for a while and only got 2 keepers, but I had a bunch of bites and a bunch of different things were working. Definitely, as Brian mentioned, the last 2 hours of the incoming are probably the best when the bites started picking up. Got 2 good keeper, Fluke. I don't know, really, I think 23. That's probably my biggest so far, so I might have got a PB on a Fluke here, which happened in my new kayak. Loving the platform. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll eventually do a full setup as I got it pretty much rigged out the way I want it. I love the platform. Can't wait to snakehead fish in it. Can't wait to rock fish in it back in Maryland. Got one more day tomorrow. I'm going to come out and try to get some porgies and possibly some black sea bass, depending on the weather. I think the weather's supposed to be beautiful, actually. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new content that I post. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, Big Yacker out.
I'm burning up.